And welcome back. Let's head to the pool where, following a diligent display of skill and heart at the Carifta Aquatics Championships in Martinique, Jamaica swimmers landed at the Norman Manley International Airport on Wednesday, beaming with pride after their performances. Gerard Morris Seeley has the details.
Jamaica's swim team is back on home soil after another strong showing at the Carifta Aquatic Championships in Martinique, where they amassed 50 medals comprising 15 gold, 14 silver and 21 bronze. The team secured second place overall with 754.5 points, finishing behind the Bahamas, but significantly closing the gap between the two rivals from a year ago. After trailing by 130 points in 2025, Jamaica cut that margin down to just 40.5 this time around, signaling steady progress at the regional level. Head coach Gillian Millwood says it didn't come easy, describing the competition as a true test for her swimmers. Millwood says holding on to second place required grit and determination, but she's proud of how the team represented Jamaica.
It was a ding-dong battle for second and third, and we definitely didn't want to come home third at all. But the kids did what they had to do. We took advantages where we could. A lot of our athletes swam up, which was the #1 goal. You know, be better than you came in, because that's everyone's goal, and the athletes push that. And I'm absolutely proud of them, proud of our coaches, the physio, the manager, the doctor. Everybody was on call, not missing a beat.
The eldest swimmer of the group, Leah Chin, competing in her final Carifta Games, reflected on her personal journey and contribution to the team's success.
Well, I had a lot of fun. It was my last Carifta, like you said, and my 5th Carifta, so I've been through a bunch. But I'm glad it went out with a bang. I had a lot of fun with all my teammates and just had a good overall meet.
Meanwhile, standout performer Kia Alert is already looking ahead, shifting her focus to the upcoming CAC Games. Alert praised the team's overall effort, emphasizing that Jamaica's success was built on collective performance, not individual brilliance.
I'm really proud of them. We all came together despite it being hard on the 3rd day especially. We all decided that we want to try our hardest. We really wanted to try and come first, but I'm really proud of them. And
the nation's swimmers will now turn their attention to the CAC Games set for Santo Domingo between July 24 and August 8. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.